jail. I'm
ninja
to these
on the hunt for some bison.
We on the move, your mouth running like a prostitute's. Keep your head to yourself. I work harder than anybody you know. I'm done with tricks, don't need no money to blow. Deadly aim, self-contained, superstar, they yell the name. Blood diamonds, finna go to hell for my chain. A P fitted on my head, though. I'm too high, you can't reach me with the cell phone.
Climbing up Mount Witchita.
You don't want this life I live, you rather had a wife and kid. Shooting dice with Jesus Christ, but 20 on the midnight. To everyone who sell me drugs, don't mix it with that bullshit. I'm hoping not to join the 27 club. Just want the coke dealer house with the velvet rug. Fuck the world, it's no one else but us. Wow. Everything we love, love. There ain't nothing but a brand name. Everyone but us, us. There ain't nothing but a brand name, nothing but a brand name. Yeah. Ask her what she wearing, say it's nothing but a brand name. Baby, this right here is handmade. Yeah, I got brothers, I don't need no friends. My shoes off, I'm comfortable, I'm chillin', smoking weed again. I'm from the burg, not the burbs, investigating my nation, homie, we ain't concerned. Went from the 412 out to the 310. Went from the pavement in my basement to them yellow brick roads. See, I was on my P's and Q's like LMNO, but kicking bitches out my crib, somebody tell them go home. Oh no, I was in the crib with my different shit. Simple living, I'm a hypocrite, cause I'm filthy rich, got businesses. Been had wifey, had mistresses. Been trying to tell you what my vision is, but y'all still ain't listening. The war they winning, it's just beginning. And I've been bout Sparta like Michigan, I got stats. They got opinions, I got facts. LeBron left home, but he came back. This what raised me, made me rap, PA's baby. I ain't been a PA lately. See, I left and they call me shady. I'm a white rapper, they always call me shady. Got no idea what I'm contemplating, I guess.